Hi, in front of me is VIVAX Fly 6 and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this device. Start by opening settings, then scroll all the way down, click on system and select languages and input. Now virtual keyboard and your currently used keyboard, in my case Gboard 1. Over here you need to click on theme and tap on show more to see all available options. When you're done, you can pick a color, click on the switcher next to keyboards to enable or disable them and click apply. You can do the same by clicking on one of these images, tapping on the switcher and clicking apply. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!